Today on Food Travels, we're going to the Caribbean. 7,000 islands, 1,000,000 square miles full of blue sky, gorgeous crystal clear water, and the most yummy food. We're going to highlight some of those foods in our show today, and I can't wait for you to join me. One of my favorite meals in Barbados kicked off with a Barbadian avocado salad. All the wonderful flavors of Barbados. Ginger, avocados, oranges, yum! I want to show you how easy it is to make it at home. We're going to start off with an orange salad dressing. And so I've got the juice of one old big orange right here. And now I'm going to put in the zest of the orange. I want to show you the easiest way to zest a citrus fruit, and that is I get out a piece of wax paper or parchment paper, put it on my cutting board, and then zest right onto that paper. I'm almost finished with this one. And the reason that we use zest instead of more juice is I want an intense orange flavor in this dressing, but without adding more liquid. And when you zest, oh my gosh, it makes the kitchen smell so good. So just a few more little grates or zests on here, and I'll be finished, and I have a naked orange now. This will be great for juicing later. I'll set it aside. Now to get your zest off of your grater, all you have to do, or your zester, is whack it right on your board now. So very easy to use. And now look, it's going to be super easy to get the zest into my salad dressing jar, just like that. All right, so there's the first two ingredients. Now here's the rest. I've got about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It's going right in. I have some honey to add just a little bit of sweetness. So there's about a tablespoon of honey right into the jar. Now I've got some Dijon mustard, and you know I love putting Dijon mustard in salad dressings because it helps hold the dressing together, because what happens when you put oil and acid together, they separate. Dijon mustard helps keep them together, plus it adds a really good pop of flavor. If you're not wild about Dijon, you could even use Ballpark. So there we go. So I'm going to start by layering my ginger flavor by putting some ground ginger in the dressing. I have a little bit of salt, so I'm going to put a little salt in there, and pepper. So that's something that you're going to add to almost every salad dressing, salt and pepper. Because I've used the citrus in this, I'm not going to have to use quite as much salt because citrus provides that same pop of flavor that lemon juice, lime juice, and salt provides. Okay. Now I want to get some garlic in there. So I'm going to use that same zester, but I'm going to use it as a grater now. And I'm just going to rest it right over the bowl. And I've got a garlic clove here. And it's going right in to my jar. I've got a little bit here that I held on to. I'm willing to sacrifice that. All right, so those are the ingredients for the dressing. And you know, I love the jar dressings, so I've got it in my jar. I'm just gonna shake it up. And now I'm ready to put my salad together. I'm gonna put my avocado on the board, and I'm gonna run my knife all the way around it. And then I'm gonna flip it open. All right, now here's where I take out the pit, and then I'm just going to twist it. So now what I want to do is I want to set it on the board, and I'm just going to run my knife right through the avocado. And I've done it on the board so I don't have to worry about cutting myself if I get too excited and enthusiastic with my knife. So here we go. Now look at this. I've got beautiful pieces of avocado, and I didn't even have to peel the avocado, and I'm gonna set them right in here. I use about 3 avocados in this salad to serve 4 people because who doesn't love avocado? So there we go. And putting it right in. And now I'm gonna do the other side. And this is a lovely avocado. And it's easy to work with. You know, when you buy avocados, if you'll buy them and if they start to get too ripe, you can always put them in the refrigerator. People don't think about storing their avocados in the refrigerator once they're ripe or getting too ripe. If you do that, then that will allow you to keep the avocado a little bit longer. And here we go, last piece. I'm gonna tuck it right in here. And that's 3 avocados on a bed of baby lettuce. And this is the kind of lettuce I had in Barbados, so it always makes me think of avocado salad. Now I'm gonna take my dressing and I'm gonna drizzle it all over the salad. And it's such a pretty color because it's got that orange juice, that orange zest in there. It's gonna have the flavors of ginger. So drizzled all over the salad. And I'm drizzling, I'm not drenching. Remember, you wanna drizzle. And I'm gonna garnish it with some green onions and some crystallized ginger. And the crystallized ginger is something you can find in the regular grocery store in the international section. Not only do they use crystallized ginger in the islands, but they also use it a lot in Asia. So I'm layering on that ginger flavor. I had ginger powder. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I've recreated one of my favorite salads from the islands. I hope you do it at home too.